Good morning, everyone. Mornings at home are a perfect time to practice simple English, because the situations are always the same.
Good morning. I usually feel sleepy in the morning, and my English feels sleepy too.
I feel the same, but I try to use English when I talk about my plans for the day.
That's a very good habit, because repeating daily phrases helps your brain remember naturally.
So I can say simple things like, I am making coffee, or I am getting ready.
Yes, those sentences are perfect for beginners, and very useful in real life.
I often say, today I have a busy day, and it helps me organize my thoughts in English.
Exactly. English becomes easier when it helps you think, not just speak.
I like that idea because it feels simple and not stressful.
Stress blocks learning, but calm daily practice helps a lot.
Mornings feel like a good time to practice now.
Every small moment at home is a learning opportunity. Talking about food at home is very useful because it uses simple vocabulary that beginners can practice every day.
I usually eat the same breakfast, so I can repeat the same sentences many times.
Repetition helps a lot, especially when the topic is familiar.
Exactly. Familiar topics make English feel comfortable.
I can say, I like eggs, or I don't like sweet food.
Yes, and you can also add reasons like because it is healthy or because it is too sweet.
I like to describe food, like saying, this tastes good, or this is too salty.
That's great for building vocabulary naturally.
Food is an easy topic to talk about.
Easy topics help beginners feel confident.
I feel relaxed when I talk about simple things.
Relaxed practice leads to better learning. Doing housework is another great chance to practice English without extra effort.
I usually clean my room in silence, but I can talk about it in English.
I describe what I'm doing, like, I am cleaning the table, or I am washing the dishes.
That's an excellent habit for improving speaking.
Even simple sentences help, right?
Yes, simple sentences are powerful for beginners.
Sometimes I talk about how I feel, like I am tired, or I am bored.
Talking about feelings helps you express yourself better.
Housework feels less boring when I talk in English.
That's because learning becomes active.
I never thought housework could help my English.
Daily life is the best classroom. Talking about plans is very useful English because we do it every day.
I usually say, today I work, or today I stay home.
I try to add details, like time or reasons.
That's good, because adding details helps you move from A1 to B1 level.
So I can say, I work in the morning and rest in the evening.
Yes, that sentence is very clear and natural.
Talking about plans helps me organize my thoughts.
Language and thinking grow together.
I feel more confident when I talk about my day.
Confidence comes from familiar topics.
Home is a safe place to practice.
Safety helps learning grow. Talking about feelings in English helps you express yourself more naturally.
I usually feel tired after work, but I don't know how to say more.
You can say, I feel tired because I worked a lot today.
I often say, I feel relaxed at home because it is quiet.
That's a great sentence and very natural.
Talking about feelings makes English feel personal.
Yes, personal language is easier to remember.
I feel more connected to English now.
Connection makes learning stronger.
I'm not afraid to speak at home.
Home practice gives confidence for outside conversations.
Exactly, confidence starts at home. Evening routines are another good time to practice English calmly.
In the evening, I usually relax and watch TV.
I talk about my day before I relax.
Talking about your day helps you practice past tense naturally.
I can say, today was busy, or today was good.
Yes, those sentences are perfect for beginners.
I try to add more detail when I feel confident.
That's how you move to higher levels slowly.
Evening practice feels calm and easy.
Calm practice helps memory.
I feel comfortable speaking English now.
Comfort is the first step to fluency. Building English habits at home is easier when you connect practice to daily routines.
I like routines because they help me remember to practice.
I feel lost when I don't have a routine.
Simple routines work best, especially for beginners.
So I can practice English every morning and evening?
Yes, short daily practice is more effective than long study sessions.
I like the idea of practicing a little every day.
Daily practice keeps English active in your mind.
This feels realistic and not stressful.
Stress-free learning lasts longer.
I feel motivated now.
Motivation grows with consistency. Learning English at home is powerful because it turns daily life into practice time.
I never thought home could be my English classroom.
I feel more confident because practice feels natural.
Natural practice leads to real improvement.
I'm not afraid to speak anymore.
That confidence will help you everywhere.
I enjoy speaking English now.
Enjoyment helps learning grow.
I will practice every day at home.
That decision will bring progress.
Thank you for the guidance.
You're welcome. And keep using English every day. If you use English at home every day, your confidence and skills will grow naturally.
I feel ready to continue learning step by step.
This method feels realistic for beginners and adults.
Realistic methods work best.
I'm excited to practice tonight.
That excitement is important.
I see English as part of my life now.
That's the best way to learn.
Thank you for making English simple.
Yes, thank you for your help.
You're welcome, and keep going. Remember, English starts at home.